Hi, I'm Desen from Ross Champion Durban.
I'm Donald from Ross Champion Durban.
Ross Champion is specialized in accident repairs and insurance claims.
We have 15 branches countrywide.
We were the first ones to receive it. It was a good experience because we never see a lot on the road as that has.
Well, they brought it to us and then we tried it out. Yeah, it's quite spacious. Motor was okay. Well, me, I'm not one for speed. I like, I like to be comfortable when I'm driving. Yeah, no, I'm happy with the automatic. Well, when I first got it, it was a bit sluggish because it was still new. Then I also drove a manual. The manual was much better. See, they've put on kilometers, so it's opened up a bit. It's going quite well.
Me, I prefer the manual over the automatic because I feel like it's got more power towards it. Saga is a quite good of a choice because it's coming in cheap in the market and it's quite comfortable for your family. Ross Champion is well recognized in Durban. If you go on Google, you type in Ross Champion, it gives you all our contact information, our cell numbers, email addresses, and where you can find us, all our locations. For Ross Champion Durban, the landline number is 031 33 77 585.